Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to equip multiple accessories on Roblox. So first of all, you have to open browser on your device and just go to roblox.com. Here you can see, just enter. You will be redirect to the home page of Roblox. You just need to guys go to avatar editor by clicking on this three bar over here menu button and just click on avatar editor. If you are on mobile or iPad, you just need to enable desktop mode. So once you are here guys, you just need to tap on this accessories over here and just click on this face accessories. Right now you can see that I have already selected two accessories at the same time. So how did I do that? If I unselect the any of them and trying to select if I trying to select one of them guys, it doesn't work. So if I trying to select both of them, it doesn't work. So how can I select both of them? So you just need to guys right click on a new accessories and copy the link address from here on a new page and paste your uh, copy link address here of the new accessory that you want to wear, and just need to guys you just need to copy this asset id from here. Right click on it and just copy, and just go back to avatar page, and you just need to click on this advanced link over here. You can see, click on it, and you just need to guys paste your id over here and just click on save button and save again. And guys, boom, your both accessories will be selected and without any error. So now guys, if you want to select multiple accessories, you just need to follow the same steps. You will be able to select multiple accessories you want. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching.